me mamu nyina akwa be ya seshia na me se wie bia etutu me wa ha se ne de we de Ghana na de di ka me da mu nyina ase wa subscribe to this channel and one so a wo hwe me and so subscribe make job me papa me ba bi ni aketewa bi ni apeni bo modin subscribe na fans to notification bell se be ya de di so no sabeka enti me me no ba be ye se na me kan simple na Gari salad. Ubet made in warm or cold. Way there, must try recipes nibi and you're optional. I was sell bomb or the answer by the Ubetra. Kama, Kuyi, into my non quadia or Hasim. And to the more I am a chance and baby, and I will say 1 cup of water. A lukewarm, so I see a kit to wear, boopany lukewarm, into your noonie. And to the more I say 2 cloves of garlic. So me content akokon and I weigh half green pepper and I weigh so 1 medium size red onions and I weigh half red bell pepper so na baby I grow no bacon any weigh 3 tablespoons of desiccated coconut and no na ebema aduane aye dan kasenti jiwakonya senya meka no being say sugar snap one no to me din raw into you don't really have to cook this one and I weigh 1 medium size white onions now we say 2 diced carrots so I want here simple today me na ni say me de me sunflower oil so about 2 to 3 tablespoons kakre and one do ya now do desiccated coconut no 3 tablespoons now the agum so we di gum wa say 10 penna day why jalapeno ni garlic no now the agum neviane de nya sam kituo nti recipe we de wunya coconut oil kra o chese wo sunflower oil bia o pebia now the agum ko ai desiccated coconut no no na ebe magic na fe o de white onion egum na the carrot na kan once the carrot no ho odin kakra as I said there me and so I me 1 cup of water no me de no aromat no so now de kakra gum eno na ebe udi be season o Gari no so I kama now do Gari no udi agum now the fork no udi a flake in the brown na me see ehwan die ka wen ka wa so wa ha now ka hwe ma me ekoyie papa yeni si na na fo de lady na kata so brel na chese eno an kata aiden ehu nyina agogo kama Ite said the me na nsa me de me green pepper no so and red pepper ni nyina egum na aka ni nyina afra into our flavors no on the medium heat no na is watching a brown na flavors ni na akoyi so ya Gari nsu na kire se eguo yo tuni Gari a use couscous ti we there osama parties no e wo se we bi ka ho now me who say original who ni original dey here adwuma no say our restaurant and so why jollof ni ade wa che no atwa Gari salad bi aka ni se be koyi get to us. As I said, there me and Nanny send me the no seasoning aromat no so egu ho. On say in chin kakra wo mu nti me mfa chin bi enye eno nso na me de aye Gari no. So I come. And they say they me and you some fat turmeric now the buy half a teaspoon and when the bema salad yeni I there come remember nice day on the turmeric na strong flavor so I want you know nya dear bear way in basa bema nice color na ya come well dear me and some me can we aduane ano aka hwe so Nida. Dayo. A quay one coconut no. Dessicated coconut no. Jai. And they say I me and say the sugar snap no with the scissors say to table. And no they didn't roll. I mean you don't have to cook it, but I make the woman. Oh, come on, you have to be mama. And I want to hold my baby a snack on. Instead of over crisps near them. No, baby. No worry. Hey, come here. Me to tell you, you go me a chance. I said, there me and some of the Gari no. I didn't know. My feel what can you na and wash. Hey, Rennie. Where then your Gari photo? Your Gari photo recipe be a jai. Where dear me say warm Gari salad and also say cold. Send your person of ready be and no dear me jama. She. Where dear mammy ma close look. She. Come on. When you say woody caps in kwan or vegetables won't come on, she. Can't she. Come on. Aromat no. Ene udene no, ene garlic no. Ene de akeka no. Carrot no so ya crunchy. Me wodel so come on, me dey recipe went no atwitwa agum. Come on. It is a spring onion near beside. Two spring onions are fair no I bear come. Parsley no titigumu kike nchucha kora na afwa kanini na afwa anti parsley ni de yin free mo feka ho because I know never ma sa distinct flavor no any coconut no. Okay, come on. Tia wash. Show I come. They say we feel good dishing. Yes, I come. If you good dishing, na yachias. I was here for. We are not to me. We are not shipping my just me who they may have when I send you the come on, shake. Come on. And to way no, over to me, I did roast chicken, and now say fried chicken, the old baby, and when I'm digging it tilapia, no, come. And I'm going to grill salmon, so I use me the better swam. I know see a very nice with this recipe. Until it's unsubscribe to this channel, but more than subscribe. Never notification bell. So say I did this so banner. Nya dia pepper so be catch up pepper say one kasa who be now so ne adofo nyina beche. Advice I me DJ on say try over try herbs me and trying kakran kakra. O trouble say flavors we do ma wo pe. But just what try so be so me dia me chow. Na baby I will be a home set the other wakoma so onyame kan ho no be ya ma abro wadwene and on Tiasia. So all the best.